This is the YESWELDER MIG-205DS Pro, a 5-in-1 welder. It came packaged great and it arrived safely. I just wanted to show you that. The package itself is about 20 by 16 by 14, and it weighs in at about 36 pounds when you get it. The company did send me this product for review, but everything I say in this video is my own opinion. This is just going to be an unboxing and a walkthrough vid on the product itself. I will not be doing any welding here, just to let you know. Inside the package, you're going to get the 205DS Pro itself. It's roughly 17 by 8 by 12. It has an automatic protection function for overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating, and IGBT inverter technology. The super thick power cable on here on the back is about 5 foot 8 inches. And you can see the gas hook up here, the on-off switch, the fan, and the specs on the back here. Going to get a real nice chart on here that goes through the different types of settings you can use for different things, the polarity, and so forth. Nice, easy to read manual. It goes through all the settings, different things you might want to know if you don't already. Some extra rollers for the MIG. We've got 4 extra tips and a wrench. They've given us a hose for the gas. It is about 8.5 foot long, about a 10 foot long electrode holder. Nice feeling torch radiator that's just under 10 foot long. And you can see the connector on the back here, feed through the gas. Very nice. Use the wrench, change the tip right there if you want. They've given us a liner here for aluminum MIG welding. This machine is spool gun compatible, and YESWELDER has a spool gun available that you can get, the LBT 150, I believe. You get a 10 foot long work clamp and this 13-inch adapter to convert it from 220 to 110 volt, because this is a dual voltage machine. You can run it on either or. I'll throw some specs up there on the screen if you want to pause and check it out. You can see it comes with a 220 plug on here already. So this is a 5-in-1 welder, gas MIG, flux core MIG, spool gun MIG, lift TIG, and stick. You would need to get an extra TIG lift torch. It's not included in this package, but the option is there. Looking to the inside, the feeder itself is made of metal. You can easily change the roller right here. And like I said before, it comes with 4 rollers. One's actually on there when you get it. The one marked here with a U is for aluminum. We've got 1.2 on one side and 9 on the other. We have an 8 and a 9 right here, V roller, and a 0.8K serrated roller right here. And we have a 0.8 V and 0.6 right here that comes with it. You can see that the rollers here have a keyway on here that makes them easy to put on. Just make sure that whatever diameter you want to use faces the inside when you put it on. You can see where you put your spool on right here. Just feed it through, connect it up, feed it through the hose and the torch, and you're good to go. Nice looking digital display on here. You can see right here that we are connected to 110 volts. If we're plugged into 220 volts, it would display that right here as well. When you're on MIG mode right here, you can change the wire diameter with this button right here, and it lets you know what size roller you need to use. See, 6, 8, 9, wire diameter changes. You can switch between 2T and 4T right here. This button right here switches the different welding modes. Right here we're on manual MIG. Here is synergic MIG, lift TIG, stick, and you can see that the wire diameter and gas displays went away when we went to lift TIG and stick. And back to MIG, and you can see that the wire diameter and gas displays have returned. This button here enables or disables the spool gun. The gas button here on the bottom allows you to change the types of gas that you're using. We have CO2 100%, we have mixed gas, argon 100%, and gasless. We have an inching button here for feeding the wire through at a quick rate after you change the spool. If you press and hold it, the speed will increase. When you let it go, it goes back to the setting that you had it before. These 2 knobs right here do different things for different welding modes. If you are on MIG, the knob to the left adjusts the wire feed rate. It's got a pretty good range on there, 66 all the way up to 514. And with the right knob, you can adjust the voltage here. And on lift TIG and stick mode, you can adjust the current with the left knob. So there you go, 5-in-1 welder, gas MIG, flux core MIG, spool gun MIG, lift TIG, stick. It's lightweight, it's got an easy to read display, and you can use it at 220 volts or 110 volts. Very nice.